Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix privacy error or the connection not private issue on Netflix. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to run the Netflix application, but you get an error telling you that your connection is not private or you receive a privacy error on your screen, then in order to solve this, first of all check that your connection is working fine. To check this, see if your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a data network, and if it is, open up any other application on the internet and see if this application is working just fine. If this application is working as it's supposed to, then this means your internet connection is good to go. So for the next thing to check, just check if you have any updates available. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Netflix. If you see an update button when you find the application, tap on Update to start installing the latest updates. Once you see the open button after the installation, you can tap on it and see if this resolves the issue. If it still doesn't work, one final thing to try is to long press on the Netflix app and then tap on Info. Then from the Info page, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. And then once you stop it, tap on the storage option. From the storage menu, tap on clear cache first and see if this resolves your issue. If it still doesn't work, then you can tap on clear data and then the delete button to delete all of the user data from Netflix. After doing this, open up the Netflix application once again and you will be asked to log in to your account. But after you log in, you will be able to access Netflix once again on your device. And there you have it. That is how you can resolve the issue of privacy error or connection not private on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.